Did you know that Julia Louis-Dreyfus, the beloved star of Seinfeld and Veep, didn't just face breast cancer head-on? She also played a key role in her recovery through the food she ate? In today's video, we're revealing the 10 superfoods that Julia added to her daily routine. These foods not only helped her beat breast cancer, but also keep her feeling vibrant and healthy today. This video is backed by research and science, giving you reliable information. Julia's story is one of strength, resilience, and the incredible power of food. Whether you're facing your own health challenges, supporting someone you love, or just wanting to improve your well-being, stick with us. We're diving into the superfoods that made a difference in Julia's life and could do the same for you. Let's start with turmeric. This golden spice isn't just tasty, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. Julia used turmeric to help fight inflammation, which is crucial when battling any illness, especially cancer. She added it to roasted veggies, smoothies, and even tea, making it a daily staple. Next, we have strawberries. These sweet berries are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Julia made sure to eat strawberries regularly, whether in oatmeal, smoothies, or as a quick snack. Their high vitamin C content and cancer-fighting properties made them a must-have in her diet. Now, let's talk about broccoli. This green veggie is full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Julia included broccoli in her meals to nourish her body with essential nutrients and support detoxification. Steamed, roasted, or in stir-fries, broccoli was a key part of her recovery, helping her stay strong and energized. Almonds were another superfood in Julia's diet. Rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and fiber, almonds support heart health and reduce inflammation. Julia often snacked on a handful of almonds or added them to her cereal for a crunchy, nutritious boost. Julia also made green tea a daily habit. This calming drink is rich in catechins, compounds that can slow the growth of cancer cells. She often started her day with a warm cup of green tea, enjoying its health benefits and soothing effects. Garlic may be small, but it's mighty when it comes to fighting cancer. Julia included garlic in her diet for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to slow down cancer cell growth. Whether in pasta or roasted veggies, garlic became a powerful and flavorful ally in her meals. Ginger is another superfood Julia relied on. Known for easing nausea, ginger is also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Julia used fresh ginger in her cooking and teas to aid digestion and boost her immune system during recovery. Pomegranates were also on Julia's plate. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols, which have been shown to slow cancer cell growth. Julia enjoyed pomegranate seeds as a snack, added them to salads, or drank pomegranate juice daily. Sweet potatoes are another nutritious choice. These orange tubers are rich in beta-carotene, a strong antioxidant that supports immune health. Julia included sweet potatoes in her diet for their nutrition and ability to provide lasting energy. Whether roasted, mashed, or baked, they were a comforting and healthy part of her meals. Last but not least, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Julia added chia seeds to her diet to support digestion and provide long-lasting energy. She sprinkled them over yogurt, mixed them into smoothies, or made chia pudding, a powerful addition to her cancer-fighting plan. So, there you have it. The 10 superfoods Julia Louis-Dreyfus relied on during her battle with breast cancer. While there's no magic cure, adding these superfoods to your diet can boost your health and well-being, just like they did for Julia. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Together, we can learn, grow, and stay empowered on our journey to health.